For decades, our solar system was a family of 9 planets, with Pluto as the distant, icy outlier. In 1930, Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto after a painstaking search for the mysterious Planet X. Pluto was celebrated as the 9th planet, named after the Roman god of the underworld. A fitting title for a world lurking in the cold, dark fringes of our solar system. For over 70 years, Pluto was a fixture in textbooks and classrooms, the final stop in our planetary lineup. It was tiny, with a strange, tilted orbit, but it was ours, a planet, no matter how odd. Yet, Pluto remained a mystery. So far away, even our best telescopes saw only a faint, fuzzy dot. Its ghostly presence at the edge of the solar system captured imaginations, symbolizing the unknown. Generations grew up with Pluto as the lonely sentinel guarding the great beyond. The 9-planet model was simple, comforting, and rarely questioned. Pluto was the underdog, but it belonged. Its status seemed secure, until the universe surprised us. The story of Pluto was about to change. Our understanding of the solar system was about to be upended. The ghost in the outer solar system was about to become the center of a cosmic debate. At the dawn of the 21st century, astronomers peered deeper into the Kuiper Belt and found a swarm of icy bodies. Pluto was no longer alone. The real shock came in 2005, when Mike Brown's team discovered Eris, a world initially thought to be larger than Pluto. Suddenly, the solar system seemed crowded with potential planets. The International Astronomical Union met in 2006 to settle the chaos. They defined a planet as a body that orbits the Sun, is round, and has cleared its neighborhood. Pluto passed the first 2 tests, but failed the third. Its orbit is packed with other icy objects. The IAU reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. After 76 years, our solar system officially had only 8 planets. Pluto was no longer the 9th planet, but the first of a new class. The decision was historic and controversial. The solar system's neat order was gone. Pluto's identity was forever changed. Supporters of Pluto's reclassification saw it as a necessary correction. With Eris, Makemake, and Haumea discovered, calling Pluto a planet would mean dozens more planets. The 8 major planets are gravitational giants, clearing their orbits. Pluto is just one of many in the Kuiper Belt. Scientists like Mike Brown argue Pluto is the king of the Kuiper Belt, not a misfit planet. This new framework organizes the solar system, rocky planets, gas giants, and a belt of icy dwarfs. Pluto's new status, they say, makes our cosmic map clearer and more logical. The debate, however, was far from over. The IAU's decision sparked outrage among scientists and the public. Pluto, many insisted, was still a planet. Critics argued the new definition was rushed and confusing. If a dwarf star is a star, why isn't a dwarf planet a planet? Alan Stern, leader of NASA's New Horizons mission, championed a geophysical definition. If it's round, it's a planet. By that logic, Pluto, and many others, would regain planetary status. The cleared neighborhood rule was also challenged. Even Earth shares its orbit with asteroids. The New Horizons flyby in 2015 revealed Pluto as a complex, dynamic world with glaciers, mountains, and a thin atmosphere. For many, these images proved Pluto's planetary nature. The debate became about more than definitions. It was about what it means to be a world. Pluto's demotion felt personal, and the fight for its status reignited. The controversy was far from settled. Is Pluto a planet? The debate rages on. The IAU's definition stands, but many scientists and the public still see Pluto as a planet based on its geology and complexity. The argument is a classic example of science in action, definitions evolving as we learn more. Pluto's story reminds us that science is a process, not a set of unchanging facts. Whether planet or dwarf planet, Pluto remains a fascinating world on the solar system's edge. New Horizons gave us a glimpse, but left us with more questions than answers. The debate forces us to rethink what a planet truly is. Pluto's legacy is secure, not just as a world, but as a symbol of our ever-changing understanding of the universe.